it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Get my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is when you. Nobody make me stop the world. Feel my thoughts.
Hi there, welcome to my Aura Style. My name is Tammie, and I use travel, lifestyle, and fashion to show you what it's like to be black plus in abroad. So I am very excited to bring you my second ever grocery haul on the channel. There's not a lot of items this week, so let's get into it. The first item that I picked up was these 12 large enriched caged eggs. I know in some circles cage-free eggs are preferable, but these were more cost effective. And honestly, I can't tell the difference. And so yeah, I purchased these. I enjoy eating eggs in the morning. I'm trying to make more meals at home. And so this is gonna help me work towards that goal. Speaking of goals, the next item that I purchased was some grapes. And I enjoy the purple seedless grapes because they have a little bit more tartness to them rather than getting the green grapes. For some reason, when I get green grapes in this region, they're a little bit too sweet for my liking. So I really enjoy these. And again, these help me with reducing my sugar intake. I'm a work in progress. I'm working on it all the time. And so this item is a staple for me. The next item on my grocery list this week was this cut leaf kale. I really enjoy making at least one green vegetable with the meals that I prepare. And so this week I'm going to try some kale. I'm just gonna saute it up in the pan with some seasonings, and frozen vegetables really cut down on your cooking and your prep time. Another item that I picked up was this corn. So my philosophy is if I have to buy the groceries, bring home the bacon, put the bacon away and fry it up, I'm gonna do things to make my life easier. And so these steamable vegetables do just that. Just pop them in the microwave, add your seasonings, and then you have a side dish. And then last but not least, the item that I think I'm most excited about in this haul is these pork baby back ribs. And as you can see, they're already seasoned. So all you have to do really is just cook them. So this is the Alabama style ribs. So I got 2 packs of these. So I'll be eating off of these for a while. All right, so that's the end. Like I told you, short and sweet. I want to thank you so much for viewing this video. Make sure that you like, you comment, subscribe, and you also hit the notification bell so that you can be aware of my recent uploads. All right, bye till next time. Don't forget, I cook using ingredients from this grocery haul and post it to my Instagram feed at My Aura Style.
Fashion. Be what you ask for. So tell me if you want action. Until the lights back on.